So do you guys want to get the latest tab to change the wallpaper trick on your iPhone? This is Umar from DIY Tech, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the trending tab to change wallpaper on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download the wallpaper from Google. So basically it's up to you whichever type of wallpaper you like the best. Since I'm into really cars, so the wallpaper which I will be choosing for this video is going to be the rear light of the Mustang. It kind of looks really cool. After that, you have saved the wallpaper into your photos. You want to go and duplicate the wallpaper because you are going to need two versions. One is going to be the original one. The other one is going to be the black and white, such that you can change from black and white to the color one. Since I'm not really good in editing, so what I'm really going to do is I'm going to just kill the situation and make the image a little bit sharper. But if you are into editing and you know how to do photo editing, you can basically try some other things also to make the photo more crispy. So once you have completed the editing, you have to go to the lock screen of your iPhone. So you basically have to hold the lock screen, hold the wallpaper which is currently on your lock screen, and it's going to give you an option for add a new one. So you want to click on that. After that, you want to click on photo shuffle. So once you have clicked on photo shuffle, it's going to ask you whether it's going to do it itself or you want to do it manually. You want to click on manually. After that, you need to select the two photos which we have just downloaded and we have edited. So I'm going to first select the original one, and then I'm going to select the one which we have just turned into black and white. After that, you can basically set the image according to your need. You can also change the time, the design of the time. You can also add some widgets. You can basically customize it the way you like. So once you are done with the customization, you need to click on the three dots, and from there you can basically just click on tap. So once everything is done, you simply have to go to your lock screen, and now whenever you are going to tap on your lock screen, it's going to change the wallpaper. Similarly, if you want to do the switch trick in which you just have to tap on the switch in order to get into dark mode or into the daytime mode, all you have to do is just download two wallpapers, one with like the daytime switch and the other one with the nighttime switch, and you basically have to just use the same steps in order to just put it on tap. So with that being said, if you want to download the image which I have used in this video, I will put the link in the description. So like the video if you like it. If you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.